with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the leg none, pity I don't think I got the type one. Make one take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and here is a long overdue tutorial, and we're going to be learning how to make that bow bag you just saw. So here is the first panel, and I'm so excited because I was long overdue video of the bow bag, but this is what the panel is looking like, and it's going to be a good size bag, not too big, not too small, and I hope you guys really enjoy it because I know a lot of people have been asking me for this bag. So what you're going to do is you're going to chain 35, and then you're going to single crochet for the first row, and the next 12 rows you're going to do half double crochet. So that's how I did mine. So that's how you do yours, or you could just do all half double crochet, but we're doing 13 rows in total. You're going to need 2 panels for this, so that's why I did one off camera as I'm showing you, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the next panel, and it works out pretty fast. I'm also using 2 strands, that's why it looks a little thick, but you'll see the progress. So yes, here's the progress of the second panel, and as you can see, it's matching up. And yes, so we're gonna finish up, just me counting the rows. You're gonna finish up your 2 panels, and then you're gonna come back and I'll show you guys what to do next. So now that you have your 2 panels done, you're going to slip stitch, and then you're going to cut your string. Actually, no, you're going to just single crochet from one corner all the way around to the next corner, leaving the top open as I'm going to show you guys. And yes, go all the way around, and you're going to go up. I had this explained very well, but I had to do a voiceover because I have children. So yeah, very self-explanatory. And as you can see, it's going to be 2 panels connected. We single crocheted all the way around. It does not have to be perfect. No one's really going to be able to tell anyway. So now we're going to be making our legs, or the tail, if you will. So I'm just showing you guys how it's going to look because you're going to hang your tail from the back. And obviously we'll make the cuff for it to be cinched in like a bow. And yeah, so what you're going to do, you're going to chain 50 chains to start the tail, and then you're just gonna double crochet for a total of 4 rows, I believe I did, and that's going to be your tail part for the back. So that's what I was basically telling you guys right here. Chain your 49, chain 50, and then obviously it's going to be 49 once you double crochet into the first chain from the hook. So basically that's what I'm telling you guys, and I'm just showing you how it will look. That will be how it will be in the back. I believe I did do 4 rows, and yes, that's how it look. It's very cute. I like it. You can do more if you would like, but this is just what I did. It works up pretty fast. It's very easy. It did not take me long to make this at all. What took long is my kids making noise. But yes, so it's very easy to follow. That's why I didn't go into detail. But if you would like a video into detail, I will let you guys know. So for this, I believe I chained 20 something, I believe. 25 and 24, I think I chained. Just basically what you're doing is you're making sure that it fits, and then you're going to do 3 rows of double crochets, and obviously slip stitch and connect it in the back, because you're going to, chain your so yes, you're going to chain your 24 or 25, whatever works for you, and you're going to work in the round making your 3 rows of double crochets, and then you're going to slip stitch, and then slip stitch, and then you know, just slide it on your bag so you can have the cinch part. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how you're going to make the strap. So you see the first 2 stitches on each side of the panel. That's what we're working into. We're going to work our single crochets right across there into the 4 half double crochets that we did on the panel. And then you just go up your desired length, connect back on the other side with more single crochets, and this is how the bag should be looking. It's very self-explanatory. If you want a full detailed tutorial, just go back into my lives, or you can just request one. But this is how the bag is looking. I hope you guys like it. It came out so nice. It worked it so fast. This is the back of the bag, and I love it. And thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next one. Please subscribe.